భద్రాచలంలో ఏఎస్పీ కార్యాలయంలో ఏఎస్పీ విక్రాంత్ కుమార్ సింగ్ చేత జాతీయ పతాకావిష్కరణ. 79వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా భద్రాచలం ఏఎస్పీ కార్యాలయంలో జాతీయ పతాకావిష్కరణ ఘనంగా జరిగింది. ఏఎస్పీ విక్రాంత్ కుమార్ సింగ్ జాతీయ పతాకాన్ని ఆవిష్కరించి అనంతరం ప్రతిభ కనబరిచిన పోలీస్ సిబ్బందికి ప్రశంసా పత్రాలను అందజేశారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పట్టణ సీఐ నాగరాజు, టౌన్ ఎస్ఐలు స్వప్న, సతీష్, శ్యాంప్రసాద్, రామకృష్ణ, ట్రాఫిక్ ఎస్ఐలు తిరుపతి, వెంకటేశ్వరరావు మరియు పలువురు పోలీస్ సిబ్బంది పాల్గొన్నారు. అలాగే ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ఏఎస్పీ విక్రాంత్ కుమార్ సింగ్ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ ప్రాముఖ్యతపై ప్రసంగించి దేశ భద్రత, శాంతి, చట్టం, సువ్యవస్థ పరిరక్షణలో ప్రతి పోలీస్ సిబ్బంది పాత్ర ఎంతో కీలకమని తెలిపారు. పోలీస్ విభాగం పట్ల ప్రజల విశ్వాసం నిలబెట్టుకునేందుకు అందరూ కృషి చేయాలని ఆయన సూచించారు.
On behalf of ASP Bhadrachalam, on behalf of Subdivision of Police, I Vikrant Kumar Singh, ASP Bhadrachalam, wish you everyone a very happy 79th Independence Day. Today I'll start with the logo of NPA, the National Police Academy, called Satya Seva Surakshanam. In Telugu it is called as Nijam, Seva and Bhadrata. So on behalf of our police force, I would like to request each and every citizen that you must follow the rule of law. The first image that the general public, the general citizen get when they see a PCR vehicle, when they see a man in uniform, is generally a sense of fear. I have always strived, always wanted to change this image. In my short tenure as ASP, I have always worked with my men to change this image. Whenever they see a policeman on field, whenever they see a constable, an SI or MCI, the first image, the first thought that should enter their mind is of sense of security. To change this, I would like to request all my men that do not consider it as a job. Yes, we get paid at the end of a month. Yes, it is a job that like any other job, but do not compare yourself with your friends or your families who are working in Hyderabad in IT. You are not doing just a job, it's a service to the nation. That's why even after the logo on my shoulder, it says Indian Police Service, which means that we are not in the source of doing just any other job, but we are doing a service to the nation. So we are usually the first responder. Be it any situation, be it any flood situation which is going on, be it any fire situation, be it any crime, or even a child which is stuck in a building, the first thing that the person does is to call dial 100. So you must understand this beauty. See, the first thought that enters a mind, which whenever a person is in danger, is to call the person who is in a uniform. This itself is a sense of so much pride and courage, that the first thought that enters their mind is to call a police personnel. So today, on the 79th Independence Day, I want each one of you, I want my men, all my staff to take pride in what they are doing right now. Generally, what I always say is, generally the sense is the constables, the people on the lower hierarchy, they think they are just a small person in the entire hierarchy. But I always say, right from the constable to the DGP, each one of you is as important as any other person. You take each constable out of the system, the entire system will crumble. So on this Independence Day, I again request each one of you to please start respecting your uniform, to please take pride in what you are doing. You are not doing just any other job but a service. And it's a general message from the friends of media to the citizen of Bhadrachalam and Kottagudem and Telangana in particular, that I want you to start respecting the police. Yes, there is a concept of friendly policing in Telangana, but friendly policing is, as I believe, is only for friendly people. If you have done nothing wrong, I want you to feel the sense of security. But for people who have committed crimes or who are not in the right side of the justice, friendly policing is not for them. Friendly policing only for people who are on the right side of justice. So through this 79th Independence Day, I want each one of you to remember the sacrifices laid down by our forefathers, the blood, sweat, hard work done by our freedom fighters, to the thing which is called Swachha, which we take it for granted today. It has come out of a lot of hard work. So today, respect it, cherish it. We have finished 79 years of independence, and we stood firm and agile and with so much respect because of their hard work. So I again thank each one of you for coming today, so celebrating the 79th Independence Day with us. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.